Hey guys, and oh, hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Today I am going to be doing another tutorial, but today we are doing a Windows tutorial instead of a normal tutorial. So, I'm going to show you how to make your mouse go from this to this, in case you need it for like a video or something, or like I did on the Minecraft illustrations. You guys may be confused, but I don't know why I'm using this voice. I guess I just like it, so I will be using this voice in the video instead of my normal voice. So today, just like in my Minecraft illustrations where I did
Interior yang aneh.
this, see, the giant mouse. Now, if you can use this to be needed for that if you need. Now what you're gonna have to do is first you're going to have to open up your settings, this right here. Then what you're gonna have to do is, it's not gonna be in here. What you're gonna have to do is type in mouse. Do not click enter. Well, if you don't click enter, then you go to here, change mouse pointer size, and boom, it takes you here. And this is how I got my customized mouse. You can make it bigger, you can make it small, as big as you want, up to there. You can change your color if you want to. You can select that. It's high contrast mode on the inside of your mouse, or just a normal black, or the original mouse that comes with the computer. So what you're gonna have to do is just change the size and then use your mouse. Now if you have it big, see my screen, you see how you see an extra mouse, but when it's small it's just one? There's a way to fix that. So let's put it big. All you have to do, because in my visual, I don't see that. In my recording screen, I see the extra mouse. So what you're gonna have to do to fix that is this is not normal, but you're gonna have to bring your OBS Studio over here. Once you get the OBS Studio, you should see this thing right here. Okay, where's it at? Right here, I think. And right here, display cursor. You see the second cursor? When I click on that, it's gone. So, if you ever use your giant mouse in a video, be sure to do that, or else it will look funky with your two mouse cursors. Anyways, I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe to see more, and click that bell to turn on notifications to receive all the videos that I upload. All you have to do is click all on that bell, and you will receive everything. If you want to, go down below and you can join the Shavakadu film crew that made Minecraft illustrations. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope this was helpful for you. I will see you guys next time in another video.